alligator snapping in the sun. He swims in swamps and thinks it's fun.
B is for bunny, bouncing all day. With floppy ears she loves to play.
C is for cat, who purrs so sweet. She naps in sunbeams curled at your feet.
D is for dog with a wagging tail. He chases his ball down every trail.
E is for elephant, big and gray. He flaps his ears and splashes spray.
F is for frog, who hops on logs, croaking songs through misty bogs.
G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. She munches leaves as a tasty treat. H is for horse, who loves to run, galloping fast in fields of fun.
I is for iguana, green and sly. He basks on rocks beneath the sky.
J is for jellyfish, drifting slow, glowing softly with a gentle glow.
K is for koala, cuddly and shy. She naps in trees way up high.
L is for lion with a mighty roar. The jungle shakes from his wild encore.
M is for monkey, swinging on trees. He laughs and chatters in the breeze.
N is for newt, so smooth and slick. He hides in ponds and moves so quick.
O is for owl, wise and bright. She hoots a tune deep in the night.
P is for penguin, sliding on ice. He waddles around, oh so nice.
Q is for quail, with feathers neat. She scurries quickly on tiny feet.
R is for rabbit, with cottony tail. She hops through meadows and down the trail.
S is for snake, who slithers past. With silent steps he's moving fast. T is for turtle, slow and steady. With a shell on his back, he's always ready.
U is for urchin, spiky and round. He clings to rocks and barely makes a sound. V is for vulture, flying high. He circles slow up in the sky.
W is for whale, who sings in the sea, big and gentle as can be. X is for X-ray fish, so see-through and cool. He glides in the water like a sparkling jewel. Y is for yak, with wool so thick. He climbs high hills and travels quick.
Z is for zebra, striped black and white. He runs with grace and sleeps at night.